One-handed.
Oh, man.
Oops.
Our boy's getting so big. He has not learned how to turn yet.
I'll help you out. I'll help you out, buddy. Oh, well, never mind.
Say, Mom, I don't need help.
Oh, now
Yes, I do.
Okay, go now.
Come here, buddy.
Oh, dear. Oh, box everywhere. Go, go, go.
Hi, Davin.
Now, Devin, show him how you can take a few steps. Come here, take a few steps. Good job.
Oh.
Good job. Good job.
For everyone's reference, Davin is eating Noah.
And
Yes.
he's 13 months old. Just so we can record how old he is. Because we're probably going to forget.
All right, Davin, say goodbye. Say bye-bye.